Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I've got a sneak peek. Now some of this you may have already seen from me, but I got my big pre-order yesterday and I've muddled it up with stuff that I had in my premiere order from having gone to Onstage, so apologies. So, a host set. Gorgeous, stunning. It's a lady holding all sorts of stuff. That is going to be so useful. I've already used it. Brilliant. So, next we have Under the Sea and Sea of Textures. This is a suite. These are the die cuts, or dies. They're gorgeous. These little fish are amazing. I have recently made this framed item with it. Ooh, let's try and get the reflection off. It is gorgeous. Now, don't get hung up. I did. Do not get hung up about the octopus. There are some amazing things you can do without using the octopus, so don't get hung up on it. We had a demonstration on stage that didn't use the octopus at all. Really lovely textures. So if you're into textures, amazing. And on the subject of, this is the matching Tranquil Textures Designer Series paper. Let me see if I can get this so that you can see both sides at once, as it were. So, stunning, 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 double-sided. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. It's just what's not to love about it. Lovely. So that's the Sea of Texture suite. I think it's Sea of Texture suite. It may be the Under the Sea suite. Who knows? That. Right, next, Rooted in Nature. This is made specifically to go with Lovely as a Tree. Again, it's a bundle. It's got some embossing dies for leaves, as well as some dies to actually cut out these leaves. The veining on these leaves is amazing. Don't know if you can see that properly, but stunning. So that's Rooted in Nature. There is matching paper for that too. I mean, and this is Nature's Poem Designer Series paper. It is amazing. It's just jaw-droppingly, stunningly amazing. It's the most super palette of colours. Oh, stunning. That's that. Right, these are the twines that go with that suite. So, and they're like a really, really thick baker's twine. They're called Nature's Twine. Makes sense. So in no particular order, in colour ribbon, it's a little grosgrain and it's gorgeous. Look at that. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. So that's that. We've got some cord, which is in black, and I think the other one is in gold. Tulle ribbon, which in its polka dot, and this is available in white or in vanilla. Stampin' Up markers in the in colours. Night of Navy Baker's Twine. Then another bundle, and this is a $1 million bundle. It's the Varied Vases with a matching punch. And this was Mary Fish's bundle. She helped design this. Two-step stamping, so you've got the flowers and the image to stamp on them. Little orchids. Stunning, absolutely stunning. She's done a really good job with that. And I love that it now says that it's a $1 million Achiever set. So this is going to have 10% off in the new catalogue. It's a bundle. I love background stamps. Handwritten, stunning. Look at the size of it. It's amazing. It's huge. I mean, oh, wonderful. So handwritten. I think this goes really nicely with the Share What You Love bundle. It's got all of the right words, so it's Inspire, Create, Share, but it's in different languages. So have courage, welcome, congratulations, amour, welcome, thank you, hello, merci, danke, love, bienvenue, thank you. I mean, it's just lovely, absolutely lovely. Brilliant, brilliant background set. The Big Shot embossing mats. So I'm going to have a play with those because obviously I've got the dies to go with. So that's going to be lovely. I've been so waiting for these Memories and More cards. So now we have the right size card and envelope for using with the Memories and More cards. It makes it super quick, super easy. Pack of Memories and More cards, pack of these, each of these sizes. You get 10 in each, and so 10 cards, 10 envelopes in each. Oh, instant cards. Then, oh, more ribbon. This goes with, I want to say this goes with the tree set. It's metallic ribbon combo, and it's in this lovely, can you see, it's narrow and it's got metallic running through it. Don't know if you can see that. So it's in this lovely pink and the green, which I think is the spruce. It's a new colour. I'm going to have to get my head round the new colours, but that's fine. I can cope. Right, I'm trying to keep best till last. So we've got the 6x6 new in colour papers. These do come in both in colour packs, but this is the new in colours. So we've got double-sided, it's stripes and dots basically, and some of them are regular and some of them are irregular. Really pretty, really useful. It's that whole primary colour thing, and I think it's stunning. Then we have got Garden Impressions Designer Series paper. So this is 6x6. Whoops, that's not opened properly. Let's try that again. Still not open properly, but I can break through. So again, this is the same as we've had in last year with the loose 12 patterns, double-sided, and it's really bright, jolly, great for, or it's like acrylic painting. So it's got that texture to it. It's just stunning. I mean, I've seen all this because on stage they have the displays. Stunning. And yes, in answer to one of your questions that I can hear in the background, I will be doing paper and ribbon shares when the catalogue goes live. Right, now, the pièce de résistance. The new in colours. Sorry, not the new in colours, the new colours. So these are the returning and the brand new Stampin' Up markers. It comes as a kit, so all of the pens, and then a new, if you've got the Many Marvellous Markers pack, then this goes into the pack, and you've got the spaces for each of your colours. Now, my one concern, there are only 7 spaces for in colours. Do you know what? I'll get over it. I know there are 10 in colours, but I will get over it. But you get the new insert, so you can have everything in the new families, and it's just amazing. But look at all those lovely new colours. So these are the new core colours. Can't wait to get those into my Many Marvellous Markers pack. And then we have got the new ink pads as well. So I'm going to have great fun getting these all labelled up. So they come wrapped. In fact, they come double wrapped because this is a pack of just the new ink pads, and they're in the new style. So if we've got time before my battery dies, we'll go through them all so you can see them. They are beautifully wrapped. So, trying to get things actually in the bin while I'm doing this. Oop. Right, okay. So, we have got, in no particular order, let's pile them all up. Now, obviously, because they're wrapped, they won't pile beautifully at the moment, but we have got Balmy Blue. Isn't that lovely? Really nice, clean blue. Blackberry Bliss. It's a returning colour. It's gorgeous. It stains everything within sight, so just be aware, but that's fine. Coastal Cabana Returner. Lovely. That's going to be wonderful with Bermuda Bay. Oh, can't wait. It went for about 30 seconds. In fact, it hasn't technically gone. Flirty Flamingo in the new pad. Petal Pink, a really nice soft, so it's, no, that's not, that's, this is the, this is Powder Pink, Petal Pink. So Petal Pink, you can see, is a much more peachy colour than the Powder Pink. It's lovely, but it's a better pink than Pink Pirouette, which was a bit too blue and didn't really sit with the other colours well. Poppy Parade, a really bright red, which is why Real Red is now a Regal, because this is brighter. Shaded Spruce, lovely. That's going to be stunning with Tranquil Tide, I think. Soft Sea Foam, a really lovely soft mint green. A proper purple, gorgeous grape, that's stunning. A proper bright green that's, you know, not lemon lime. So Lemon Lime Twist has definitely got that acid. This hasn't got the acid in it. Lovely. Grey Granite. Oh, a soft grey, finally. Highland Heather. So you can see that Gorgeous Grape is a much sort of richer, and then Highland Heather is softer. Lovely. Mango Melody, a lovely, lovely yellow orange. Merry Merlot, brilliant. This is going to be a neutral. One of my favourite returning colours, Mint Macaron. And another, I think, is this a returner? Mossy Meadow. And again, that's going to sit in the neutrals. It's just stunning. I can't wait to get them all out and labelled. Anyway, so that is... Oh, and of course, if you haven't spotted it already, my new chamois. So it's wonderful. You just spray it with water and it dries out. You're allowed to let it dry out, and you rinse it in water. You can wash it. Someone's told me that you can wash it in your dishwasher. Don't hold me to that, and if you do, put it in the top shelf. But you can certainly wash it, you know, with regular dish soap, so washing up liquid in the UK. And it's just lovely. So there's my little selection. There were limits to what I could really justify buying. I've probably gone over the limit. I've got lots of cardstock, but it's huge, so trying to show you all that would be a nightmare. So I've got lots of lovely cardstock as well. But I hope you've enjoyed that. If you would like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button down in the bottom right hand corner. During May, if you shop with me and use the hostess code, for every £25 you spend, you will be entered into a prize draw to win the retired colour caddy and the retiring core colour families. So that's the 2017-2018 core colours. So the neutrals, the brights, the regals and the neutrals as per the 2017-2018 catalogue. So not these, but a lot of the colours are carrying over. So it's worth over £200. So well worth shopping with me just to get your chance to win those. Thank you very much indeed for watching me. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the, below. There's a link to my blog, that's the word I'm looking for, immediately below in the description bar. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!